Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can go back to the Pirate Cove when you are inside a crystal depths. So if you're ready to head back to the docks, after you navigate the crystal depths, in here I'm going to show you the fastest shortcut to get back to the Pirate Cove. So you don't need to respawn. So what you need to do in here is just go to this pole right here where you disowned before. So you can just go near the pole in here, and there will be this pop-up to ascend. So you can just choose to ascend in here, and within seconds you'll be back to the Pirate Cove. So that's the easiest way or shortcut to go back to the Pirate Cove. And that's all for me. I hope this will be helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.